How to see watch history on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to view your watch history on TikTok. You can access your watch history through a workaround using the search feature. If the watch history option is not directly visible in your TikTok settings, here's how you can do it. Launch the TikTok app on your device. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen to open the Discover page. In the search bar, type a period. This often brings up a list of recently watched videos. You should see a watch history option appear at the top of the search results. Tap on it to view your watch history. Now you should be able to see a list of videos you have recently watched. You can scroll through this list to find and re-watch any video from your history. This method leverages TikTok's search functionality to bring up your watch history, even if the direct option is not available in your settings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.